You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Make your cleaning chores more mobile with the perfectly portable Go Anywhere pressure washer from Sun Joe. With a compact, lightweight design and sturdy swivel wheels, you'll be able to clean anywhere around your home with less hassle as you roll from one project to the next. Equipped with a peak performance 14.5 amp motor, this portable powerhouse blasts up to 1.76 gallons per minute to quickly eliminate greasy residue from concrete, heavy mildew stains, oil stains, caked on mud, and other stubborn gunk and grime. The convenient onboard 27 fluid ounce detergent tank is perfect for transporting your favorite soapy solution when your project calls for maximum cleaning power. With its 360-degree rotating wheels, this dirt-decimating dynamo provides maximum maneuverability. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. SPX3200 comes equipped with pressure select technology. Low, 1450 psi for everyday dirt and grime, or high, 2030 psi to tackle your toughest cleaning tasks. And the SPX3200's onboard 5 quick connect tips allow you to tailor your spray to suit any cleaning task, or simply use the soap nozzle to give your cleaning blast a sudsy boost. And every SPX3200 includes a complete 2-year warranty. Bring the power to your projects with the one pressure washer that's made to move, and go with Joe. The SPX3200 Go Anywhere electric pressure washer from Sun Joe. Get equipped.